Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen, and welcome all my subscribers and my viewers, and if you are new here, welcome also. So today we are going to make some curry goat, and I have my goat over here. I have thyme, garlic, some green onion, pepper. I have a sweet pepper here. I have a lime here because I'm going to wash it with lime and vinegar. I have my turmeric over here. I have ginger powder, a little Maggi seasoning all purpose, and some garlic plus, and 2 pimento. I have some seasoning salt here, guys, and when you buy seasoning salt, read the ingredients please, and make sure you don't use the one with the MSG. You use the one with MSG free, please. Great Value have the one with no MSG, so you can buy that one. So guys, I'm gonna wash my my goat now with some vinegar, and I'm gonna cut my lemon and put some inside. So I'm gonna wash it and be right back. So okay guys, I'm finished washing my meat. I'm gonna season it with my dry ingredients. I'm gonna add my curry first. And guys, the curry I use is better pack. A little ginger powder. I love to cook with ginger. I have a little bit of Maggi, all purpose, not much. It's all finished now. I don't remember when I get to the store to buy it. And this is garlic plus. I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna add 2 pimento seeds. I have pimento seed here. I'm gonna add a couple of them. And I'm gonna add a dash of my seasoning salt, not too much. Just a little dash. And guys, remember I said, read your ingredients when you're buying your seasoning salt, because most of them have MSG. If you can get the one without MSG, it's much better for your health. MSG is not good for you. So please check, please, for that MSG. In all the seasoning what you buy, check if the ingredients have MSG inside. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of my seasoning salt. And guys, I'm gonna rub it up now. And this goat smell like goat. Sometimes you buy goat meat, it doesn't even smell like goat, but this one smell like goat meat. So I'm gonna cook it in the next 2 hours, so I'm massaging it so you can see it's very fast. I'm gonna add a little bit more curry to it. Okay guys, I'm gonna put down this now. Let it soak for about 2 hours, and then I get back to you. And I'm gonna start cooking. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put it down. Let it season for 2 hours. Let it marinate for 2 hours, and I'll get right back to you. Okay guys, I'm cutting up my sweet pepper. My ingredients for my curry goat. Prepare everything. My curry goat is still soaking. I'm soaking it for 2 hours. So it's still there soaking, so I'm just cutting up all the wet ingredients. Preparing everything. So guys, when you're cooking your curry goat, always put green pepper. I don't know why. Good. It's good to add green pepper when you're making curry. So that is why I'm adding green pepper to my curry goats. This knife is cutting awkward to me because I use my big knife. And guys, remember to like, share, and comment, please. And tell me where you're watching from. And guys, for my video to go out for a lot of people to see, you have to interact with the page, please. Please like, share, and comment so they can put out my videos to more people to see. And I thank you guys very much for participating in my cooking recipes. I have a lot of people who tried my recipe and said it was very good. Thank you guys. And if you are cooking and you need some help, call me. Don't be shy. Send me a message. I'll be there to help you. My onion is finished. Cut my garlic. 4 is enough. 4 is enough. With my time in this, the time and pepper is the last one. Guys, if you want to blend your seasoning, you can blend it too, okay? You can also blend your seasoning if you want to. So now all my seasonings are here ready. I'm gonna leave these, put these aside until my roti start cooking. Okay guys, so my pot is hot here. Trying to dig out my coconut oil. Add 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil in my pot just to burn my curry. Out my coconut oil because it was hard. I'm gonna add a dash of curry in the pot too, just to burn the curry. Oh, it smells nice already. So I'm burning the curry a little bit before I add my meat. Guys, my meat is finished marinate. My 2 hours is up. So I'm gonna go over here, get my gloves on, and get my meat in the pot. So now I'm gonna add my meat to my pot. Guys, I don't add no water at the beginning. I make it cover it and let it steam for a little bit. bubble it for a little bit and I'll get right back to you. Guys, so I'm still stirring. I'm gonna add no water to it yet. I think it just start making its own water. So I'm gonna cover it again and let it steam more a little bit more. Make its own gravy, you know. Before I add it in, you see the water is coming up. The steam will start bubbling. Its own water is coming up. So I'm gonna leave it again, let it steam a little bit more. And then I'll get right back to you. Okay guys, I didn't add any water yet, you see? This smells like real goat meat, man. When I buy the goat meat, it don't smell like this at all. So guys, I'm going to add a little bit, maybe a cup of water to this now. And I'm not adding too much water. Little by little, guys. When you're cooking your meat, when you're slow cooking your meat, you don't add too much water. That's the good secret of plenty gravy. You just add your water little by little. A cup or half a cup at a time. You see? I didn't add no water yet, you see? So I'm going to add a half a cup of water now. And I'm going to be back with you in 20 minutes. And my stove, I'm going to put my stove on medium because I don't want it too fast. I just want this slow cook. Okay. So guys, I see you guys in 20 minutes. Okay guys, so my goat meat is looking good. I'm going to start adding my seasoning. You see guys? Half a cup of water I put in there since, and look, it's looking very nice. I'm gonna start adding my seasoning now. And I have my kettle over there with water if I have to add any. So I'm just gonna add my seasoning first before I add any more water to it. So I'm gonna add my onion. Guys, I'm gonna add my onion. Add my onion and my sweet pepper and my garlic over here. So guys, give this like 5 minutes and then I'll come and add another half cup of water to it. Guys, you see how it's looking good? This is curry goat, man, with some gungo rice and peas today for supper. Woo! Okay guys, I'm gonna make another check on my curry goat. Woo! It's looking so good, so good. Guys, I eat with my eyes. So it's looking good so I can start eating. Because if something don't look good, I don't eat it. But this looking very nice, very delicious, you see. You see, I don't add too much water. And you see how it look? I'm going to add my thyme and my green onion now and my pepper. I'm still not going to add any more water yet. Give it a little bit more time. I need to have a lot of gravy. Not long water, I need gravy. Like when you cook the oxtail with a lot of gravy. So okay guys, I'm gonna get, ooh, smell the thyme. Wow. I'm gonna come right back to you guys. Boy, see the amount of gravy in my curry goat. What? Looking good. I'm gonna drop a little bit of water in there, not much. Just finish cook the seasoning. Can't wait to get some of this with a gungo pizza tonight. What? guys, you come along with me while I cook my curry goat, okay? I'm gonna drop a little tip of water in here. Use my kettle. Drop a little tip of water, maybe half a cup. Because I want to keep my gravy, enough gravy. I'm gonna stir it up and leave it for a while. I'm ready to taste it yet to see if I have to make any adjustment. Maybe in the next one. It is still, let me see if it's tender. No, not yet, it's still hard, so still have a way to go. Okay guys, I'm making another check again. It's coming on pretty fine. I did add half cup of water to it, so looking very good. Maybe the next time I come back I'm gonna add 2 little round dumplings. My daughter-in-law loves the little round dumplings. So I'm gonna put the spinners in there, so I'm gonna make some and put it in there maybe the next time. So see you in a bit, guys. Okay guys, I'm making another check. Wow. Guys, you see how my goat looking very nice? Ooh. Full of juice. The curry goat full of juice. But that's still not gonna make me eat curry goat more than once a year, you know. When it's full of juice once a year, me the cook in my house to eat. Me cook and sell it, yes, but not for me to eat. Looking very good, guys. Guys, I'm gonna let it stay there and bubble up until it gets tender. Okay guys, we're gonna make another check. Okay guys, woo, it's looking good. I'm gonna add 2 spinners. My daughter-in-law loves when spinners in curry goat, Cynthia. She loves curry goat with spinners, so I'm gonna put 2 spinners inside just for her. Because I don't really put spinners in my curry goat, but because she loves it, I'm gonna do it. That's for you, my baby girl. So I'm gonna make them. Maybe I'm gonna have to add some water, a little water. Guys, you see how good, how nice my curry goat is. I hope when you make it, when you try it, it come out just like mine. And if you doing it and you have any problem, just send me a message. We'll get right to you in the click of a button. And guys, remember to like, share and comment, please. And guys, if you are new here, welcome. And my old subscribers, thank you very much for being around. And my viewers, guys, thank you for passing by. I appreciate you guys too, all my viewers and subscribers. I appreciate you guys very, very, very much. And I hope your food basket and your wealth basket will never be empty. Okay, so I'm gonna stir up this a little bit. I'm gonna make any more, just making these 2 put in there. Not much. See, I put spinners in my curry goat. So okay guys, I'm gonna add a little water and let my spinners cook. And I think after that, I'm gonna share your plate with my pigeon peas, dry pigeon peas, rice and peas. And guys, if you want to see how I make the gungo peas, I have a video. So you can go and make it you can watch that video and make your gungo peas with your curry goat, okay? So see you in a bit. Okay guys, we are checking again. Maybe this is the last one. I'm gonna taste it now. My sister tastes pizza already and said the seasoning is good, everything is good. It's just, let's see if we fought this, will break it? Yeah, we cut it, so it's good. So our meat is finished cooking, so we're gonna share your plate. A lot of gravy, guys. A lot of gravy. I turn off my stove. So I'm gonna get my plate ready. I'm gonna make a plate now. Okay, guys? See all the gravy that bubble up. So this is the finished product of the curry goat. Okay guys, so as you can see, my goat is finished and I share a plate. This is what left after I share my plate. I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna go over to my plate I share over here, guys. So this is my finished product of my curry goat. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And I see you in more next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless you. Love you guys. Ciao.